How to download all photos from Messenger at once. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to download all photos from Messenger at once. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, in order to download all photos from Messenger, you have to launch the Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Select the Settings and Privacy by scrolling at bottom of the screen. Tap on Settings option. Now tap See More in Account Center at top of the screen. Scroll down, tap Your Information and Permission option and tap Download Your Information. Now tap on Download or Transfer Information button and search specific types of information. Scroll down and choose Messages. After that, tap the Next button. Here you need to select Download to Device option. Then you have to choose the date range and the email address. So your information has been prepared for downloading. Once the file gets downloaded, from there you can easily locate the file and download all photos from Messenger at once. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.